Clear nose ray or clear nose skate, one or the other. Come on. I don't know, but listen to that. You rub your hand this way, it's okay. This way, tear you up. And how you hold it, by the nostrils, like that. There you go. You better live to see a new day. We just want a drum. Come on. Oh, let me see. I still want to see. You want to see? Come on. Hi, how are you? Come on over. This is a clear nose ray. I'm not gonna hurt you. Get right here. Yep. Yeah. Here, come here. That's right here. That's the screw. It won't hurt you, I promise. You do it first. Go. That's cool. There you go. See his eyes?
Cassandra! Maybe those might be out.
Come here, flower girl. Come over here. Come over here. Here. Tuck your wing. Tuck your wing right here. It's okay. You don't have to. Come here. She did it. You didn't know it too? There you go.
Isn't that cool? Go ahead, touch it. You see, you touch it. Go ahead, do it yourself.
Yay!
Yay!
All right, snap back a little bit. I'm going to put some water on it. Step back. Right there. Stay right there and get some water. It's like, hey, I want some water. I'm ready to go. So it's called a clear nose. See it? How his nose is kind of clear? Clear nose skate or clear nose ray. Pretty cool. I'm going to put it in the water now, okay?
Go right back where he belongs.
Yeah.
Say thank you. That's where you grab it.
You're welcome, guys.
Thank you so much. Is he gonna win?
That made my day. That was it. That's the way we do. That's what we do. Woo!